Turn it off. Turn it off. Care, you know, who's doing what.
Under the table, there were insects.
Both in Hindi and English, whatever you prefer. Hindi में ज़्यादा better है या English में better है? English करूँगा, Hindi और English दोनों. It's been a year since India. November 9th is the first restaurant we opened. This was in Saket, Select City Mall. And it's been a year now, 32 restaurants. We have actually, with only 32 restaurants, many of them just opened a few days now, we have already sold 2 million Whoppers, which, you know, tells me that Whopper is slowly becoming very, very, preferred with our people here in India. And it's no different. If you go around the world, Whopper is the preferred sandwich, preferred burger around the world. So it's no different. So we're very, very happy that after a year of completion, we wanted to take this opportunity to really celebrate our anniversary. And who better to celebrate it with Neha? So Neha is here to help us unveil what we're calling the Big Boss Whopper. Just like the name, I think Whopper, we consider Whopper the big boss of all the burgers out there. And so the Big Boss Whopper was something that we wanted to do. The Big Boss Whopper is one of the largest sandwiches that anyone can have, a burger that anyone can have here in India. It's actually in mutton, chicken, and veg. So all three proteins you can have the burger. And it's got a surprise crispiness that comes from, an ingredient that we put in there. It's got, sauteed vegetables in it. It's got jalapenos. It's got sauce, 2 different types of cheese. It's a massive sandwich, and everyone is going to enjoy it. So with that, I'm going to hand it over to Neha so that she can help us unveil the Big Boss Whopper.
Well, thank you very much, and a very good afternoon to everybody who's present here and not paying attention to me because they're so busy eating the Big Boss Whopper, which I totally understand, because I was doing that some time ago. And I have to say, it is by far the most delicious lunch I've had in a long, long time, and the nicest thing I've had when it comes to Whoppers, burgers, you name it. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate you on your anniversary and congratulate you for just making the best Whoppers, the best Big Boss Whoppers, and I can go on and on about praising how wonderful it is to be standing here in Burger King. It doesn't even feel like, a day at work. But the one thing I have to say is that, when I walked in, I had this impression that, okay, I'm going to come here and have a Whopper, and then I was offered the Big Boss Whopper. One always takes a little bit of time because you're so used to something so fantastic that to get out of your comfort zone and try something that has the potential of being, promising and giving us everything that it stands for. So I was like, okay, let me give it a shot, let me try it out, and it was just the best thing that I had. And then, you telling me everything about Burger King and having company like you was great too. So, even the name was so intriguing for me because it is Big Boss Burger, and it is the season of Big Boss, and it has everything in common with Big Boss, where it's fiery, it's saucy, it's crunchy, exactly like the show, and it's not going to be here for long, just like the show isn't going to be here for long. So yeah, this one's just to reach out to each and every one of you. If you're going to be here coming to Burger King, try the Big Boss Whopper. It's the best thing that you've had in a really, really long time. And, just everything. We were talking about this a little while ago. हम हमेशा घर पे भी यही करते हैं, coming from a house, a Punjabi house where food is so important, every time we would get a burger, anything, or even make burgers at home, we would always lift up the lid and put some potato chips. यार इसमें थोड़ा potato chips और डाल देते हैं. यार इसमें थोड़े से ना इसको healthy कर देते हैं. Let's put some more lettuce in it. या फिर इसके अंदर एक और sauce डाल देते हैं to add the flavors. And you know what? You don't need to do that anymore because the Big Boss Whopper has it all, and it's just absolutely amazing. So yeah, I know. How many of you have already tried it? Oh, you guys haven't tried it? So please go ahead and try the Bigg Boss Whopper. It's fantastic. Spread the word. Don't just keep it to yourself, because if you loved your loved ones and your friends and family, just bring them here and have this thing. It's the best thing ever. Okay.
Go ahead.
Woo!
All three. So we have the Wedge Whopper, the chicken, the Bigg Boss Wedge, the Bigg Boss Chicken, and the Bigg Boss Mutton. So, lo and behold. And Neha is going to actually pick one now. Which one, Neha? You had the mutton earlier.
I've
You had the mutton
I've
one.
chicken.
So
Try the wedge.
you're going to try the wedge? Okay,
Yes.
all right. There you go.
Okay. So I need to turn this around.
Yeah,
Okay.
fantastic. Get some napkins for him?
I can't believe I'm eating. I'm going to open my mouth this big.
All right. Okay, so as we say, it takes two hands to hold a Whopper, so I'm going to drop my mic and actually do it.
Okay, I think you should eat one as well with me. Wait, you went too soon. Okay, ready? So good. Okay. All I can say is that whenever you want to come to Burger King and eat a Bigg Boss Whopper, just don't wear red. चालू है?
Okay. Okay, perfect.
ऐसे में
Questions I can answer in Hindi, I can answer in English. सब कोशिश करूँगा.
Okay.
Any questions at all? Yeah. One-on-ones? Okay.
Why
they
can't
would
they just ask us questions?
any questions here I can answer. Otherwise, one-on-ones are fine. Yeah, I should have worn
That's fine.
I'll wear the crown next time.
Should have won the crown.
I should have worn.
We can still do it.
I can still do it?
Can we get the crown? He wants to wear the crown.
Yeah, you should be in our marketing department. Yeah, absolutely.
I should, right?
Look here, guys. Don't be shy about asking questions. I'll do the one-on-ones. I do them all day long, every day. But welcome. There you go. Yeah, that might be a little. Okay.
Oh, that looks great.
Absolutely. You going to put that on?
No, I won't. It won't settle in here.
it
It's too
won't.
much.
Yeah, there.
Got it?
Good. Sorry, the tie-up with Bigg Boss. I think Neha said it very nicely. It's got all the elements of Bigg Boss. You know, it's saucy, it's fiery, crunchy, spicy. It's full of. You know, the theme this time round is double trouble. I think we got double the fun in our Bigg Boss Whopper. So, by the way, you know, one of the ideas of bringing Whopper into a Bigg Boss is because we sold over 2 million already with just a handful of stores. So we expect, you know, to do a lot more with the Bigg Boss Whopper. And it's a great way to get our word out as well. Yeah. Come on, ladies at the back. I know you're just waiting to ask some questions. Come on.
One-on-one.
You want to do one-on-ones? Okay, all right, great. So we'll do one-on-ones over there. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Again, thank you for your time. I know you're busy. Namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. It's been fantastic. And yeah, if you enjoy eating a Whopper, come and try the Big Boss Whopper as well. And I love it. I think I'm a bit, I'm a bit too full to be doing any more talking, but water. But thank you very much, guys. It's been fantastic. Thank you for coming.
चाहेंगे इस नए ऊपर बिग बॉस 9 जो लॉन्च हुआ है आज बर्गर किंग में क्या बना?
जी बिल्कुल, आज हम यहाँ बर्गर किंग में हैं और यहाँ पे जो नया बिग बॉस वॉपर लॉन्च हुआ है। जब भी मैं बर्गर किंग जाती थी मैं हमेशा वॉपर खाती थी और मुझे लगता था कि दैट इज़ डेफिनेटली द बेस्ट थिंग टू ईट एट बर्गर किंग और एनी टाइम व्हेनेवर यू वांट यू नो अमेजिंग फूड दैट मेक्स यू हैप्पी। पर यहाँ आज पहली बार जो मैंने यहाँ आके बिग बॉस वॉपर देखा और खाया, देखा, खरीदा और खाया, मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक। और इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी हियर फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग। इट्स लाइक द शो बिग बॉस डबल ट्रबल जो है, it's going to be here for very little time. It's just here till January. So all I could like to say is that everybody who's watching this, please come and have the Big Boss Whopper. It has everything. You know what's nice is कि जब हम एक बर्गर लेके जाते हैं हम या फिर घर में भी बनाते हैं, हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि आई विश इसके अंदर थोड़े से चिप्स हों, थोड़ी सी एक्स्ट्रा सॉस हो, थोड़ा सा कुछ और कुछ पिकल्स हो, just to make it more saucy and more crunchy and more spicy. And Burger King has nailed it because they managed to make a burger like that. I've just finished eating an entire Big Boss burger, so I'm very Big Boss Whopper, so I'm very full, but I'm very happy at the same time. It's very satisfying.
Talking about Big Boss, नीना कितनी बड़ी फैन है आप?
मैं बिग बॉस काफ़ी देखती हूँ। आई एम नॉट अ बिग बॉस एडिक्ट, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लाई टू यू, पर मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगी कि जब भी मेरे पास वक्त हो मैं ज़रूर देखती हूँ। चाहे मेरे घर में एक इंसान टीवी देख रहा हो या 3 लोग बैठ कर देख रहे हो, जब 10:30 बजे बिग बॉस शुरू होता है, somebody or the other is definitely watching it. तो आते जाते घूमते फिरते मैं कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर, उसकी जैसे कहते हैं ना हाईलाइट्स, आई एम ऑलवेज फॉलोइंग इट।
आपको कभी ऑफर हुआ बिग बॉस से घर में जाने के लिए?
हर वीकेंड सलमान खान आते हैं, तो सलमान की
Well, I really think Salman is absolutely fantastic. और जिस तरह वो कंटेस्टेंट से बात करते हैं, वो रैशनलाइज करते हैं, वो एनालाइज करते हैं कि किसी ने क्या कब क्यों किया, I think he makes a lot of sense and he brings a certain sense of of course a huge amount of stardom to the show. He also brings in a lot of sensibility and humor and entertainment to the show, and that's a great mix. और चाहे कोई गेस्ट आए शो पर अपनी फिल्म्स प्रमोट करने या फिर जो अंदर घर के गेस्ट हैं, ही इज़ ऑलवेज रियली वंडरफुल टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ देम। आई एम अ बिग सलमान खान फैन, सो फॉर मी टू वॉच बिग बॉस इज एडेड इंसेंटिव।
कभी आपको ऑफर हुआ बिग बॉस के घर में जाने के, या अगर ऑफर होगा तो आप जाएंगी?
जी मैं नहीं जाऊंगी बिग बॉस के घर में, बट मे बी आप लोगों को लगता है क्योंकि हम प्रेस के सामने या फिर इवेंट्स में आते हैं या फिर वी आर पीपल इन द पब्लिक आई, so we will be very comfortable with people watching us, but it makes me very uncomfortable to have a camera on me all the time.
सलमान को खाना चाहिए बिग बॉस ऊपर?
जी
बिग बॉस ऊपर खाना चाहिए
सलमान खान को बिग बॉस वॉपर ज़रूर खाना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी एल्स वुड रिलेट टू द बिग बॉस वॉपर मोर देन हिम। और बिकॉज जैसे मैंने कहा ना, इट्स स्पाइसी, इट्स क्रंची, इट्स सॉसी, एंड आई थिंक सलमान एंड बिग बॉस आर ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स।
So Neha, what else is going on the professional front?
Well, I have a brand new show called MTV Roadies that I'm going to start shooting for in 3 days from now. It's making me a little nervous. बहुत बड़ा शो है, बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। I think for the youth, it's a very big show, and एक बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन फॉलोइंग है। और every time there's a roadie judge जो नहीं जज कर रहा, यू आर फिलिंग इन फॉर दोज शूज़ एंड बिगर वंस, क्योंकि आप अपनी भी एक रेपुटेशन है, एक इमेज बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं थ्रू दैट शो। एंड फॉर मी, यू नो, टू बी एबल टू target the youth is a very big compliment, because I think the youth is the force that takes the nation forward. And मैंने रोडीज़ की ऑडिशंस देखी, अभी हम शूट नहीं शुरू कर रहे पर हम ऑडिशंस ज़रूर शूट कर रहे हैं। एंड मैंने ऑडिशंस देखी एंड देयर इज़ मैडनेस दैट हैपेंस, मतलब जिसे कहते हैं लाइक देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स हु आर गोइंग टू कम, एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी कि इतना पागलपन, इतना जुनून कहाँ से आता है लोगों में। सो या आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट शूटिंग फॉर दैट, सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी बिजी विद दैट फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2.5 months.
तो फाइनली बिग बॉस के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? In your own little
Finally, in my own little words, the Big Boss Whopper is the best thing you can eat and best value for money. And for me, it is definitely something that I will come back and eat again and again, bring my family, bring my friends. And I've had a party at work today. This has been a great day at work when I have to come here and eat the Big Boss Whopper. And I was behind the cash counter और मैं काफ़ी बिग बॉस वॉपर्स बेचने की भी कोशिश कर रही थी. एंड आई हैव टू से दैट बर्गर किंग मेक्स इट लुक वेरी वेरी ईजी बिकॉज पीछे जितना काम चलता है वहाँ पे जितनी स्पीड से वो लोग काम करते हैं, इट्स क्वाइट इनक्रेडिबल. एंड आई वॉज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विद द क्लिनलीनेस दीज पीपल मेंटेन. हर जगह हर वक्त हाथ धोना एंड देन मेकिंग श्योर एवरीथिंग इज सैनिटाइज्ड. एंड यू नो वन ऑलवेज हैड दिस माइंडसेट कि व्हेन यू गो आउट एंड ईट इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस, we don't know what the hygiene level is, and this is, if not cleaner, this is definitely as clean as my personal kitchen. So I'm going to come back and eat the Big Boss Whopper at Burger King all the time. Thank you.
कुछ लोगों को आप अच्छे लगोगे, कुछ लोगों को आप अच्छे नहीं लगोगे. कुछ लोगों का आपका ये सवाल अच्छा लगेगा, कुछ लोगों को नहीं लगेगा. तो हमको इस वक्त आपने ये सवाल पूछा, हमको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बट हर एक की ओपिनियन है. एंड